We got some boats out here today. We're gonna be running the rigger, and I've got these 3 4S packs to run in it. We're gonna run the high voltage first, and then we're gonna run the HP pack last. I've got the GNSS analyzer, and I've got my dynamite. Don't really know which one I'm gonna put in there yet. I've only got one phone, so I need to get one of my old phones to where we can use the app and y'all can visually see, you know, stuff like that. Because I know some people think, oh, you know, you're cheating or this, that, or the other thing. I ain't got the effort to do that shit, you know. It's just, I'm here. So we're going to test this thing. I did give it a quick rip in my little pond. It did well. So I wanted to try this, which is a 4117. This is the proboat prop. I've lightened it, thinned it, and balanced it, and sharpened it. This thing is like razor sharp. So very excited to try that. I'm hoping the GNSS will actually fit in here better than the dynamite, since it's about a third or 1/3 smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it all taped up, prepped up, and we're gonna test this prop first. Since I've got 3 packs, we're gonna try a couple of different props. Cool. All right, we've got the high voltage pack in there in the front. We've got the GNSS turned on, got it zeroed out, got it set to 1 miles an hour because the previous run said 63. So I think we're good to go. And all I got to do now is tape it up. And I will do screen record to where we can actually look and go over the GNSS stuff together, and you'll actually see it. Well, I'm using my chest mount today, so hopefully... All right, we're going to go ahead and just cock that down like so. Using the chest mount, so I'm not really sure how great the footage will come out. Still got my other mount at work. Okay, let's see how this goes. Alright, trim, dual rate steering, I could go max, throttle's max. All right. Still light on the nose. Okay. Let's go ahead and bring it in. I've got it trimmed up way too far. I noticed that earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt the trim down. I don't know if y'all can actually see this. You can see how it's up, and then like right here it's tilted back, so I'm gonna go ahead and lower that down. Don't have my digital caliper with me, so I'm not actually gonna be able to set it perfect, but I will be able to get somewhat of a right look on it. Like, I'm gonna say that looks damn near nuts level. So we'll see. Let's go out here and see what it does now. Oh yeah. All right, let's get back on the truck so y'all can get a better perspective. There she is. Yeah, she was already dropping down on voltage. You could hear it. That little mini turn fin that I have for it does really well. I should have tightened the turn fin. I'm just kind of dicking off right now. I think I've got it set up pretty good. I think that prop is too much for it. We're just cutting some ovals with it. Oh, that was it. LVC. High voltage packs, they fit better but they do not last as long as far as runtime. All right, let's see what she feels like. She don't even feel hot. That's great. Cool. Turn fin's still good over there. Okay, yeah, you definitely don't want to run the HV packs past their limit. There, and then we'll open up the GNSS and see what that says. Okay, let's set that out for now. Temp gun. Batteries at 116. ESC is at 1, not bad. 115. Motor 123. Nice. That was a very, very good run. Very good run. Very happy with that. Okay, let's go ahead. Got everything in here crammed, dude. Pull that out. Then we have to disconnect this lead. Pull that out of the way. And then we can pull the battery out. Come on, baby. I just took the balancing lead doodad off of there. I had this piece on the battery, you know, on the balancing lead. It just takes up so much unnecessary room. So I took it off. Cool. Battery's not hot at all. 111. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and check. See what the battery voltage is. 3.89. Beautiful. Beautiful. Don't want to hurt these things. All right, let's check the GNSS together. GNSS, let's check. We'll do stop. We'll do read. 71 miles an hour. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. So, looks like the 4117 is a little bit slower, but we also had a turn fin on it. Now, in order to cool things down, I'm going to go ahead and run some water through this thing. Shooting it out down there behind in a rudder. Nice cold water. Oh yeah. All right, I'll run that through one more time. Always get a cold bottle of water and fill that up before I leave. Okay, so we can run this one now. What we're going to do is swap props. And what we're going to do is tighten this damn turn fin so it doesn't move. So we got one of Robert Warden's prop boxes here. This is my mono box. It's got some just generic props in it. A lot of my Arctura stuff. Then the bottom row here is mainly rigger props. And I got my round ear. So this was the prop that we did 86 with. This is the replacement, 4016. Now I have not prepped this. It's supposed to come pre-balanced, which is cool, but I just took it straight out the pack. So we'll run that at the end of the day, and we'll see what that does. Now, with the KV of this motor being 4220, I wanted to try my smaller ABC 1515. This is always a really good prop, 1.5 pitch. And I think it'll do really well. Let's see if we can beat 71 miles an hour with the 1515. All right. 1515 is on. Oh, crap. I got to reset the GNSS. GNSS is recording. Brand new SMC high voltage pack installed. With a turn fin. Going too much to the left now. That's a pretty good hit. Really good hit right there, yeah. Like that. Oh boy, she is scooting. She's bouncing like hell. Whoa. Let's go down here and do another quick run. See what we can get out of it. Oh, shit. Upside down. Damn it. So I brought it in. Everything seems to be fine. I went ahead and turned the turn fin and I leaned it back some. I don't know if that's going to do anything, but it's kind of a drastic lean back. I don't know if it was picking the front end up from here or if it was doing it here. Kind of looks like the adjustment I made on the strut readjusted itself. Maybe I don't have the screw tight enough. I don't know. Let me recheck that. All right, last adjustment. We're just going to see. Wow. Hope I didn't fuck up the cable. I accidentally hit reverse. Let's see here. It just does not want to turn one way, really slow. Okay. Alright, yeah, that looks good. Let's go ahead, open it up, check temps. That was kind of a wild run there. Running out of daylight here, guys. Running out of daylight. Alright. I'll take this out. So much easier to pop that out than the dynamite. Let's see what she is now. Not bad. 108. Because of that run was so weird. Motor. 105. Okay. Battery. 102. Alright, let's check the speed of the 1515. Alright, GNSS. Stop. Read. 80 miles an hour! Holy shit! With a turn fin! I won't even try, dude. Holy crap. Wow. Okay. Alright, let's take the turn fin off and try the green pack. Wow, I'm very, very surprised. 80 miles an hour. Wow. I know some people, oh, you crashed it. Crashes don't count. Yeah, I mean, you might be right. You might be right. But that first rip on that thing is where it did 80 miles an hour. She was flying. I even knew it was flying. You could tell it was flying. But I need another phone to where I can just make a pass, bring it by here and check it without having to stop recording, do screen recording, all that nonsense. But everything in due time. Everything in due time. All right, I'm going to take this turn fin off, swap the batteries out, and I don't know. I'm going to swap that. I'm going to swap the prop out. So I opted to change and I put the 4016 on it because, you know, why not? We're running 3 different batteries. We might as well try 3 different props. GNSS is in there and the 2200 HP pack is in there. I'm going to go ahead and get it all set up and restart the GNSS. All right, let's do start. Move the boat. All right, we're good. Okay, let's get it. Now this is theoretically a speed run with no turn fin and an unprepared prop, just straight out the gate. If I get a good run here, I'm gonna stop, bring it in, and then check the speed. Oh, baby, turn. Oh, shit, no turn fin, that's right. Gotta turn down the dual rate. That wasn't full throttle. Golly. Spins out like crazy. Gotta turn the dual rate down. Yeah. Need to let the pond calm down. Oh, God. Makes your heart beat, guys. Makes it beat. Okay. I got a slight breeze here. Alright, let's get it. Okay. That was not my, I would say I give that a 90 out of 100. It was not perfect, and right there at the end it was kind of getting a little sketchy, so I let off of it. I did hit full throttle for a split second, but not as full as I would have liked. All right, let's check the GNSS together. Okay, let's do stop. Read. 88 miles an hour, baby! Oh my God! 88 fucking A! No crash, kiss my ass! I can't fucking believe that shit. Oh my God, I know 90 miles an hour is coming. I know 90 miles an hour is coming. Should we try? Should we try for 90 miles an hour? I think we should try. Make it or break it. Okay, let's not ruin the world here. The pond's nice and calm now, but the battery is depleted, so. This will be a go or blow moment. Yep, blow. Fuck. Okay, well, I went and got it. Everything actually looks fine. I don't think it really, I think what it was is I got on it too fast and it pulled itself up out of the water. But everything's good. Got it, went ahead and opened it up. It's just been sitting since I had to pedal all the way out there and get it. Yeah, it's cooled down at this point. But yeah, golly. 88 freaking miles an hour, dude. That is absolutely insane. Let me pull this battery out. All right. Got a little bit of water on it from that crash. Not bad. Cool. All right. Let's check what the voltage is. 3.82. Smack dab on it, baby. Good job. Good job. I love that. That's badass. Cool. All right, folks. You've seen it here. 88 miles an hour. Haven't left the pond. I know some people, you edit videos. Some people bound to think you're cheating. Not here to cheat. Honestly, I wasn't even going to run that prop. I was going to run the 15-15. And then I thought about it and I was like, why? Why? You know, I'm going to take the TP motor out. I want to put the 10-shock motor in it. The little small 10-shock motor. So, I know it's a lower KV, so I'm going to end up going slower, but I want to try it. I want to try it. And then the learner motor, might want to try that too. I don't know if this little Kraken 120, you know, the Flycolor Kraken 120 will actually handle the 2-pole learner motor. They're both roughly 3,500 kV, so I feel like they should, but I just wanted to try something different. But 88 miles an hour out of a $32 rigger kit that was given to me by Fred. Thank you, Fred. And thanks for the strut on the back. Appreciate that. And thanks for the idea for the cow. There's a whole lot of copycat shit going on here. But as far as everything else, like a lot of the stuff on the inside came out of my original recoil. Like, you know, servo stuff and linkage stuff. But other than that, it's been a while since I posted a boat video, so this one's going to be long. I hope you loved it. If you do, give the video a thumbs up, and we will see y'all back out here at the pond later.